open. We can't wait to explore the universe with you. Welcome to the Universe and You. This exposition was relocated from the 1964 World Expo, and we hope you are excited to experience this classic adventure through the unknown.
Since the beginning of recorded history, humanity has searched the cosmos, reaching deep into the secrets of the universe for evidence of life from other galaxies. Are we alone? Join us now as we take you through the journey of the
Universe and You program terminated. Access granted for alien invasion training.
Welcome, recruits. Sorry for this phony theme park nonsense. Welcome to the training facility. Let's find out if you're the best of the best, but don't get your hopes up.
Agents E, I, O, please report to mission debriefing. That's Agents E, I, O to mission debriefing.